again.
Grandma Tina, Grandpa Brian.
We open it.
Oh, this one's heavy.
I will help it. And I will take it. Oh, my look. This is a box.
What? It's magic markers.
Hey,
Don't let
hang on it.
Magic markers for drawing and coloring.
I will open it.
Yes, I will open it for you. We need to pick another present to unwrap.
That?
No.
Orange!
It says orange on it. Who's it from? Grandma Tina, Grandpa Brian.
This one is heavy too.
Yeah.
You have to open it to it. Okay. Look! I'm more handy Mandy.
Wow.
Mandy store!
Oh, that's
Yeah, please.
I love it. What's this?
Stretch.
And this?
Squeeze.
And who's that?
Felipe.
Felipe.
Pat. Turner.
Rusty.
The seesaw.
I don't know. I think she's in there somewhere.
Let's do more visits.
You want for Kira?
Wait. This one's for Kira. It's from Santa. She's like, yeah. Sure.
Whatever.
More from Warren.
Is that one for you too?
This one for Grandma Tina and Bob Meyer. This one is heavy. Whoa!
Open it up.
Oh, wonderful!
Who's this?
I don't know.
You do. Isn't that Lenny?
Yes!
Here we go. Kira has a present now.
I like to. Let's see how it was finding next present.
Look again. Do you want to give Sissy a present?
Yes.
Will you hand this one to Kira?
Yes. Here, Kira. This is for you.
No.
Kira got a baton.
Yeah, she got Leo's baton.
Yeah.
This way. No.
That?
Here's one. Whose name is that?
I don't know.
That's Kira. Why don't you go put it with Kira?
Kira, there's some more for you. Let's find. I'll open this one.
We're going to build that later. We're going to need your help.
This?
Oh, this for Kira.
But we forgot more about me.
Oh no, there's more for you.
Weird. Which one? Which one, Mom?
This one might be for you, but there's no name on
Skip
it.
the naming.
It must be from Santa, and he forgot to put a name on it. Do you want to open it up? Oh, be careful.
Hey, it has a bow.
Yeah.
Let's open this back. Flashlight! It's a flashlight!
Who's that?
Victor!
It is. Yes, we will take everything out, I promise. Let's find another present.
This is for me?
Maggie's great
That's
little
for
girl.
you.
Let's open it.
What do you think could be in there?
Let's open it together.
Let me watch this.
Let's
open a different one.
That's a male. That's a male.
Yeah, this is from your great grandma Carol.
Look. What's that? There's the top book.
Oh, you got some more
That's
headphones.
a good looking book.
Tina and Brian.
Look.
What is it?
Look. It's a Mom.
Wow, we're
Look
in.
at the last present.
Oh no, there's more than one left.
No, there's some more back here.
What's this one?
Orange.
This one. I think this one's for Kira.
Oh, and there's some more back for Kira.
Oh, cool. What's this one? This one's for Kira.
Which one's for Moon?
Who's that color?
Yes, it
This
is.
one's for Oren.
This and then.
That's Oren. You know who that's from?
What?
That's from your daddy with the hairy chin. Here, Oren, why don't you come sit over here and open it up? Bring your present.
I'm going to open this
Yeah.
today.
So
Look!
what could it be? Wow.
That's
Did you know what that is?
what?
Can you tell what that is?
This?
Do you know?
What?
That's a camera just for you.
This is for me. My special size.
Yes.
We can open these.
Those are for Sissy. This one's for Oren.
Let's open it.
See, there's your name, Oren.
My heart almost stopped. I thought I didn't hit the cord.
Wow.
That looks like more crispy.
That's Quincy.
Again.
There's a price tag still on this one.
I like open honey.
We will, honey, but we gotta finish it
Sarah.
first.
This is for Kira.
Here's opening one.
I will get more presents for Kira, Mom.
Yeah, why don't you just put it right here with Kira?
Let's see some more.
That
There's
is
last.
good.
I found some more.
That's you.
Orange. Look.
I don't know.
Dinosaur.
Look at those dinosaurs. Good job, Kira.
Wow. I want to open mine.
Yeah, well, you have more presents to unwrap, and then we will open all the boxes.
There's a moose puppy.
There's another one for you.
It's going to be. Look.
What is it? What is that?
Bad guy.
Bad guy.
Oh, those are pretty good guys, I think.
These are ninjas, Orange.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see more, Kira?
What's that? Oh, that one says orange.